Hello everybody, it's Alison and welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show you something that is going to save you so much time, especially if you are a social media manager, a content creator, a small business owner, a freelancer, a teacherpreneur, or somebody in between any of those things. So today I'm going to show you how you can create some content and then multi-purpose it and use it across all of your social media channels, all the different apps without the watermark. Okay? This is going to help so much. Let's roll the intro. I'm going to get straight into it. Okay, so I don't know about you, but sometimes when I set about doing something simple, very much like what this video was meant to be when I started recording it, you kind of realise that it's the smallest, simplest things that sometimes take the longest time to do for all sorts of reasons. Content creation when you're a small business owner or a freelancer or a teacherpreneur is just one of those things, especially when it comes down to social media marketing. Me in particular, I get so inspired, I start spacing, I start scrolling, and I'm like, oh my gosh, where has an hour and a half gone? So today I am going to show you how you can take one piece of content that you created in, I'm going to use TikTok for today, and I'm going to show you how you can then use that and post it on Reels. You can upload it to YouTube Shorts, you can even put it on Facebook Stories, and you can even use it on Pinterest. Now I'm going to go through exactly how you do this. I did do it on my TikTok account, and a few people have messaged me and said, Alison, please do a longer tutorial for us. So that is what I'm going to do today. It's not going to be super long, but I am going to do a tutorial. Now, before we go any further, I'm going to address the elephant in the room. Number one, if you're not following me, first of all, on TikTok, why not? Follow now. Little tip there. Here is my profile. Go follow. And the second one is people saying, if you don't create the content itself in that app, so for example, if you create something in TikTok and then go post it on Reels, it's not going to perform very well in Reels, but it's going to do really, really, really well in TikTok. Blah, blah, blah. This is what so many people have said, and I have to say, I have done my research. They are fundamentally wrong. I have done this, I've done it at different times of day, I've done it on different sorts of videos where I'm not talking, where there's just script over, with trending music, with not trending music, in black and white, with effects, without effects, different times of day, and I can tell you each and every time it did not underperform. I'm going to show you the proof of the pudding first of all, just in case no one believes me. So I'm going to go along to one video, this one here where I'm sitting with my hand on my chin like this, creating the moment. I've got 241 views on this, which is really bad. So, and also I don't know what's wrong with TikTok at the moment. It was going really, really well. My videos were getting 40, 50k views, and then it kind of tanked. I think it's because they want me to upgrade to a business account, and I'm like, no, hashtag content creator. I'm not doing it. I'm not paying you. I'm creating the content for you. You should be paying me, much like Facebook do. I am not going to pay to run ads for people to see my content. If you don't like it, don't like it, but I'm not paying for it. Okay, anyway, getting back to it. This particular video has only had 241 views, okay? I created this in TikTok. You can see that very clearly because of the fonts and all the different things. That's one thing you can identify, like the font on the side of the font and the back end of the font is different in TikTok to what it is in Reels, okay? So 241 views. I then downloaded this with a special app, which I'm going to show you in just a moment how to do. And then I went and put it in Reels. Look at the difference. Bear with me. Something I was doing earlier, okay, Instagram, okay, I'm not a big user of Instagram, as you can see. 2,773 views this had, and it does actually, it just keeps going. So no idea why this has worked so much better on Instagram. It's not the first time. Like I said, I have really done my research, and I'm also doing the same with YouTube Shorts, and I'm getting the same thing. Things that are performing like 100, 115 views. My two recent videos actually that I did on TikTok, I've got over 1,000 and 2,000 views on Shorts on YouTube. So go figure. So forget all of that nonsense that you have to create the same content in one piece of content in TikTok, and then one piece of content in Instagram, and then one piece of content on YouTube Shorts. Like, you just end up, you wouldn't get anything done if you're a business owner or a freelancer. And plus, the proof is in the pudding. Here we've got the actual facts. We can actually see the views here. It is just not true. Okay, now let's get to it. The first thing you're going to need to do is go along to the App Store if you're an iPhone user, which I am. I've only ever had an iPhone, not an Android, so I'm not even sure what you would do if you had an Android. Anyway, for iPhone users, go along to the App Store. The app that you want is called TickSave. I know there are lots of different ones. I've tried a few out. I've had the best with TickSave. So this one here, obviously I am not going to download it because I've already got it. So TickSave, it's this one here at the top here. Can you see here? So I'm going to press open. Now it's really easy. What you need to do is click on the video that is up at the top, and when I do that, it's going to take me immediately to the TikTok app. They're intrinsically linked kind of behind all the coding and the stuff within the apps, so you don't have to do anything. So I'm literally going to go like that on the video, and it's taking me straight to my TikTok account. So I'm actually going to download this video here, which I created in TikTok. And this is what you need to do. So you need to click not on the share button or anything like that. It's the three little dots there underneath the speech button. Click on that and don't press save video. Don't do that. It's copy link, okay, with the blue icon. Press copy link. It's copied. Now you're literally going to swipe up and go back to TickSave. When you go back to TickSave, press on add video. Okay, and now it's literally going to load the video that you've just taken from TikTok. I'm going to click on it. There it is at the top. And now I'm going to press share video. And I'm going to download this, not to my Mac or anything like that. I'm going to download it to my camera roll, and then I can upload it wherever I please. And it's not going to have the watermark, okay? Save video. That's now gone to my camera roll. I'm now going to show you how easy it is. I'm literally going to take that and upload it wherever I like. So the first one for me is obviously going to be Reels. So I'm going to upload this to Reels. I'm going to go to here because I just downloaded it earlier as well in the trial. So I'm literally going to press add. Now what you could do here is you could add maybe a sticker or something like that, link in bio, whatever you want to do. I'm not going to do that. I'm going to press next, and that's where you're going to write your caption and your hashtags. Again, for hashtags, lots of people are saying that Instagram are saying no more than 5. I'm kind of finding better reach with about 15, or lots of people do 30. It used to be 30, but I don't do 30, I do 15. And that is literally it. You can also take that same piece of content and do the same thing, upload it to Shorts, literally like this. Upload it to Shorts, add, job done. That is literally it. And you could do the same thing to your Facebook story, your Instagram story, or even put it on Pinterest, whatever you want to do. So that's it. Pretty easy, really. Now, if you're at the stage of your life where you want to start creating your own online business, or maybe you already have, go along to my website, digiteachonline.com. I have got loads of interesting stuff there for you. Yes, I do have a paid mentoring program because I've launched many a brand. I have a monetized brand on Facebook. I have masterclasses. Some of them are free. I actually have a brilliant free masterclass that I'm running next Wednesday, which is, I think it's from idea to invoice, where I'm going to help you take an idea and literally bring it to market. So something you can sell. I also have obviously my social and digital marketing consultancy, so you can deal with that if you want to. And I even have a couple of cheaper, lower end masterclasses if you are kind of at the real entry level of self-employment. So I've got some simple ones on simple branding. I have a complete range of sellout on social media masterclasses. These ones are obviously they're only like $29 and $39.99. These are obviously a lot less in content than what's in my major mentoring program, which is the Teacherpreneur's Evolution System. I seriously deep dive with everything into that. But if you're only at the start and you don't want to invest, or you can't afford to invest in this, then that's fine. Just go along for a little masterclass. Whatever you do something, because it's going to help improve where you're at. It's going to help improve your income. And most importantly, it's going to help you understand how social media and digital marketing, etc. works. As you can see, I'm from the dinosaur era. I have been using it since it came out and I've created many a business from zero to something pretty amazing, all on the back of social media and digital marketing. So there we go, guys. Have a wonderful day, whatever you're doing, or night, wherever you are in the world, and I will see you again soon. Ta-ra!